Man, I feel tired. In fact, what time is it? It's about 6. No, it's about 7 in the morning. Man, I feel so tired. Wait a minute. Hold on. Wait! I forgot! It's morning! Yes, morning is my favorite time of the year. Like, most of the time. I mean, the best time of the day. Sorry, people. Alright, let's see what could possibly go wrong. Oh my god! Oh! Ah! Oh my god! Yo! Ow! 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 Oh my god! This is so annoying! I gotta check out who's doing this. Ha 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 ha! That was so funny! It was the most funniest prank I ever done. Oh my god! What in the name of all people are you guys doing? Oh, we're just trying to practice this new ear rape trumpet, and it looked like it wake you up. Oh my god! I wish I could just smash their phones one day. You do know we actually heard it. God. So, why you wake me up for? Oh, just to prepare you for school? School? Oh, no. Oh, no way. I'm not going to school. Well, we will explain the consequences if you refuse to go. Consequences? What are the consequences? Everything you own and love will be donated for charity. Oh no, okay, I will go to school. Okay, I'll go. Ha 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 ha. That always tricks him. Now let's get going. Oh god, not the school again. What happened? Anything could possibly happen, like Toad. Yeah, so yeah, you better stop your attitude. Oh my god, I just want to go home and watch Viola Anderson's videos on YouTube. So you can watch those videos for like forever. While school only lasts for about 5 days. In fact, we're gonna do something interesting today. Whatever it is, it's gonna be a disaster. Alright, class, today we're gonna talk about the solar system. The solar system? No way! I'd rather do Volley Anderson. Toad, stop your attitude or else your detention is going to increase. Alright guys, I pull up this like little Finny over here. So, what is the first planet of the sun? Come on guys, don't be shy, just give your best shot. Is the answer Mercury? Very good, Puppycorn. Where'd you learn that? Well, I think I probably studied it over the night. Wow, Puppycorn, it seems like you want to pass my class other than that sneaky, snitch Toad. Oh, thanks, teacher. Alright, guys, let's discuss the other planets. 6 planets later. Okay, guys, we only, cover a few planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Now, who can tell me what is the 7th planet of the sun? Oh wait, I know. What is it? I know the answer. Alright, so give it your best shot. Okay, the 7th planet in the sun is my anus. Toad? No, that is not the answer. The answer is Uranus, not my anus. That does not make sense, Toad. But I just said it. My anus is a planet. Toad, you stink. Toad, that was not a funny prank. You know that, you turned Uranus into a joke. That's it. Go straight to the principal's office, and I don't want to see you for the rest of the day. What? Why? Because Uranus Joker says so. Now go. Good Rivers is gone. Alright guys, let's get back to the lesson. After the lesson ended. Alright guys, we all finished with the lesson. So yeah, class is dismissed. Man, that was an awesome lesson. Yep, except for the fact that Toad ruined it by turning Uranus into a joke. He knows that Uranus is not a joke. I agree. Oh my goodness, guys. Seriously, there's a lot of stuff to know about the solar system that I have a wish. Of what? I have a wish that we can actually be real astronauts. OMG. Literally, that would be awesome. I hope that one day happen. One day soon.